In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change paper size in Google Sheets quickly. If you've ever needed to print a spreadsheet and found the default paper size wasn't quite right for your needs, you'll find this quick tutorial helpful. We'll walk through the necessary steps to customize your print settings and choose the paper size that works best for you. Let's get started by opening up your Google Sheets document. If you haven't done this before, just go to your Google Drive, find the file you want to print, and double-click to open it. Once your sheet is open and you're on the main editing screen, the first step is to click on the File menu. Look for it in the upper left corner of your screen. Clicking on File will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your document. From there, you're going to click on the Print option. Print is often represented by a printer icon and can also be accessed by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. Now you'll see a Print Settings window providing a snapshot of how your document will look on paper. In this Print Settings window, you want to navigate to the section labeled Paper Size. It's usually found in a menu on the right-hand side. When you click on this, a drop-down list will appear, showing you all of the available paper size options. Depending on your needs, you might choose A4, letter, or even a custom size. It's all about what you need for your specific document. Take a moment to browse through the options provided. Select the one that you think will best suit your printing needs. Once you've made your choice, your selection will automatically update. This is a feature of Google Sheets designed to help you visualize how your printout will appear and avoid any formatting issues before you press print. With your paper size selected, you're almost ready to print. But hold on, before you move on, make sure to glance over the print preview one last time. Double-check that all your data is correctly displayed and adjust any additional settings if needed. When everything looks perfect, go ahead and click on Next to proceed. This button is located near the bottom right corner of the Print Settings window. We've just completed a quick and easy way to change paper size in Google Sheets, setting you up to print your spreadsheets exactly the way you want them. Adjusting the paper size is just one of many ways to customize your print settings in Google Sheets, allowing you to maintain the professionalism and clarity of your documents. And there you have it. Now you know how to change the paper size in Google Sheets quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on working with Google Workspace. Happy printing!